Hello, I'm in a 2015 Chevy Silverado 2500, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, we'll go down, and you should see this release lever. So pull that, and that should pop the safety, let you release it. You should see a cable right here. If that's not attached, you'll need to address that. And up front, you should see the hood slightly loose now. And there's like a lever right here, so we're going to push the lever and lift. So push and lift. Fortunately, it should snap itself up so it'll hold it in place. And this is what that lever looked like I was pushing. Make sure nothing's bent or broke. You had no debris stuck in here that needs cleaned up. If it's really sticking a lot too, you might try some WD-40 to loosen this. And then also make sure your hood's in proper alignment, because if it's crooked, that could cause you issues. And that's where it was hooked onto. But hope that's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.